Hello guys, welcome to Lalit's Kitchen. So a lot of my friends, they are on keto diet and they have been asking me that what is the quick and dirty dish which they can make either for breakfast or lunch or for snacks or for dinner. So what I'm gonna do is today we are gonna make a paneer dish and I'll tell you the step-by-step process and how much carbs it will have. So one thing which I have realized after watching a lot of videos on YouTube that you guys are misinformed. I see a lot of dishes where the amount of ginger and garlic these cooks use is humongous. So ginger and garlic, they are very high in carbs. So try avoiding that. Even I will be using ginger and garlic paste, but the quantity will be very less. Like you have to understand how much carbs each ingredient has. Like the curd I'm using, it has like 5 grams carb per 100 grams. So I'll tweak the recipe. I'll have very small amount of ginger garlic paste, very small amount of curd, and we'll make the recipe out of that. So you have the flavor and you don't miss out on your keto also. So let's start. Let's start with the marinade. I'm using 2 teaspoons of curd. So this curd has 5 grams of carbs for 100 grams. So I'm tweaking my dish accordingly. I'm using 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, a pinch of turmeric, salt to taste, and lemon. I'm gonna add like 4 or 5 leaves of mint and 1 green chili. Give this a good mix. Add paneer. Make use of your hands. So if you want to give it a good mix, use your hands. And we'll let it rest for like 5 to 10 minutes, not more than that. Okay, I forgot to add ginger garlic paste. So I'm going for 1/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, not more than that. Ginger garlic is very high in carbs. So if you are on keto diet where you are taking 40 grams of carbs in a day, then you can add ginger garlic paste. But if you are on lower keto diet, lower carbs diet, which is like 20-25 grams in a day, don't use ginger garlic paste. So butter will give it a very good flavor and texture actually, and the butter has like 0 carbs. Keep the flame high. Add bell peppers. So I'm using red, green and yellow. It has been like 2 minutes and you can see the bell peppers are caramelized. I'm gonna add the paneer pieces here. Keep the flame high on it. Okay, this has been like almost 2 to 3 minutes and you can see the paneer is like golden brown now and the capsicum has cooked. You can smell the flavor also, you can feel the aroma, and now you can switch off the stove and enjoy the feast. So if you guys like us to make more keto recipes, do let us know. Do let us know how did this taste, and do subscribe to our channel, spread the news among your friends, and give us a thumbs up and press the bell icon. Ta-da!